Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're sharing 20 must-have anchors and fasteners, perfect for securing your projects, building your skills, and upgrading your toolkit. Let's get started. Self-drilling drywall anchors. These self-drilling drywall anchors, made from strong nylon 66 with rust-resistant steel screws, install quickly without pre-drilling and hold securely in drywall, sheetrock, or plasterboard. Perfect for medium-weight fixtures, they come in a resealable bag and are backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Hilti HST3. The Hilti HST3 is a heavy-duty anchor engineered for maximum strength in cracked or uncracked concrete, even with minimal spacing or edge distances. It delivers up to 66% higher tension capacity than the HST, making it a reliable choice for demanding safety-critical and seismic applications. Its optimized coating and increased undercut ensure long-term durability, while product markings simplify quality control and inspection. Hilti HSL4 Wedge Anchor. The Hilti HSL4 Wedge Anchor delivers high tension and shear load capacities with a force-controlled expansion system that allows follow-up tightening. Certified with ETA Option 1 and ICC ES/AC 193 for cracked or uncracked concrete, it is designed for seismic, fatigue, and shock loading. Ideal for heavy-duty, safety-critical applications. It's used in settings such as nuclear power plants, machinery installation, steel columns, heavy pipe supports. Self-drilling toggle anchors. The self-drilling toggle anchors make hanging items on drywall simple and hassle-free, eliminating the need for pre-drilling. Crafted from premium zinc for strength, durability, and corrosion resistance, they can hold up to 100 pounds, making them perfect for mirrors, picture frames, shelves, curtain rods, and more. Drywall Anchors and Screws Kit. The Drywall Anchors and Screws Kit is built for strength, durability, and long-lasting performance, made from premium zinc and plastic for corrosion resistance and reliability. Designed to hold up to 100 pounds, these anchors are perfect for hanging mirrors, picture frames, shelves, curtain rods, and more. The kit includes 10 self-contained toggle anchors and 10 screw bolts in a one-piece design to prevent losing parts behind the wall. PC Concrete Epoxy Adhesive Paste. Epoxy adhesive paste is a two-part, high-tack epoxy formulated for repairing cracks in concrete and securely anchoring threaded rods, bolts, and dowels into concrete, grout-filled block, or unreinforced masonry. Its moisture-resistant formula allows use in damp environments and vertical applications, both indoors and outdoors. It offers a 20-minute work time and cures fully in just 4 hours for strong, lasting results. Hilti HY 200. The Hilti HY 200A injectable chemical anchor is a high-performance adhesive system designed for anchoring threaded rods and rebar into cracked and uncracked concrete. It delivers exceptional load-bearing capacity with no hole cleaning required when used with Hilti's hollow drill bit system, saving time and ensuring consistent installation quality. Ideal for structural connections, retrofitting, and safety-critical fixings in commercial and industrial projects. Plated Steel Molly Bolt. The plated steel molly bolt is a reliable hollow wall anchor featuring a metal sleeve with expandable wings that locks securely behind the wall when the screw is tightened, distributing the load to prevent pullout. Made from high-quality carbon steel for strength and durability, these anchors support 20 to 40 pounds in cavity walls. Pull Toggle. The Pull Toggle is a durable wall anchor system designed for medium to heavy-duty applications in 1/2 and 5/8 inch drywall. Ideal for securely mounting shelving, handrails, and other heavy fixtures, it supports up to 110 pounds in 1/2 inch drywall, with industry standards recommending a working load of 50% of the maximum for safety. Installation requires a 1/2 inch drill bit, and the anchor accommodates fixtures with hole sizes up to 1/4 inch. Parawedge. The Parawedge anchor stud is a cold-formed, torque-controlled expansion anchor designed for secure fastening in concrete. It features a threaded section with standard coarse bolt threads on one end and a parabolic mandrel on the other for smoother expansion. Toggle Drywall Anchor. The Toggle Drywall Anchor features a wing-style design with a solid support bar for easier installation and stronger holding power in drywall. Made from durable nylon, these anchors, also known as toggle bolts, are among the strongest options for securing items to hollow or weak wall materials. Ideal for hollow structures, POP, ply boards, and gypsum boards. Drywall Plug. The Drywall Plug is a versatile, high-performance anchor that fits all common building material thicknesses from 9.5 to 30 millimeters with a single length. Its unique combination of nylon and metal delivers high load capacity, maximum flexibility, and long-lasting durability. Installation is quick and easy with a cordless screwdriver, saving up to 50% of the time compared to traditional methods, and no additional setting tools are required. Fischer FID II. The Fischer FID II insulation anchors securely fasten lightweight to moderately heavy fixtures, such as lamps, house numbers, or doorbells. Designed for use with 4.5 to 6 millimeter screws, they install precisely without pre-drilling in thin plaster layers. Adding a chemical component like Fischer Fill and Fix or PU foam increases load capacity for heavier items such as wall boxes or parcel boxes. DuoPower ETA. The Fischer DuoPower ETA anchor combines two material components for maximum load capacity and intelligent adaptation to different substrates. It provides clear installation feedback, letting you feel when the plug is securely set. A narrow rim prevents slipping into the drill hole, while serrated anti-rotation features keep it from turning during installation. Redhead A7+. The Redhead A7+ concrete adhesive anchor is a high-performance, fast-curing formula that sets in just 10 minutes and fully cures in 45 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Approved for cracked and uncracked concrete as well as seismic applications, it delivers exceptional strength for anchoring threaded rods and rebar dowels in both concrete and masonry. Moisture-resistant and suitable for all weather use, it can even be applied in damp or submerged conditions. Umbrella Insert. Redhead umbrella inserts are high-performance adhesive systems designed for secure fastening in hollow-based materials. Engineered for use in the face of hollow concrete blocks over 1 inch thick, they deliver consistent, high load capacity and reliable performance. Ideal for applications requiring strong, stable anchoring in hollow substrates, they ensure a dependable hold where traditional anchors may fail. Chemical Anchor. The ESSVE1. Chemical Anchor is a CE-marked, high-strength mortar designed for professional anchoring applications. Approved for installing threaded rods, anchor bolts, and reinforcement bars in both cracked and non-cracked concrete, it delivers reliable performance even in aggressive environments. Ideal for docks, ports, and other demanding settings, it provides secure, long-lasting anchoring where maximum strength is required. Capsule Anchor. The Drywall Plug Capsule Anchor is a vinyl ester-based chemical anchor designed for strong, reliable fixing in non-cracked concrete. It uses the substrate adhesion principle to spread stress evenly, allowing installation closer to edges and with less space between anchors. Its special formula works in both wet and dry conditions, even underwater, without losing strength. Sand Anchor. The UV Blocker Beach Umbrella. Sand Anchor is a 16-inch anchor designed to keep your beach umbrella secure in the sand, helping prevent it from tipping or blowing away. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it's easy to twist into the sand for a firm hold and works with most standard beach umbrella poles. Lightweight and portable, it offers a simple, reliable way to enjoy shade at the beach without constant adjustments. That's our list of 20 anchors and fasteners. The right hardware means strong, lasting results for any project. Subscribe for more tips and keep building with the Chop Busters.